Hello everyone, welcome to my channel English Taken. I hope you are doing great. Coming straight to the video. Is grammar important or not to communicate in English? Well, it depends. Don't think it's a diplomatic answer. Listen carefully. What is your purpose of learning English? Is that enough that you communicate with others, or do you want to be fluent in English? I am not asking about short term, I'm asking about long term. What's your aim in this? Do you think that if someone else understands whatever you are saying, or do you want to learn English properly? Properly in the sense not excellence, put that in your mind. Is it enough like that, or do you want to be confident or fluent while speaking? So please answer yourself and let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. So coming to the point, if you just want to, I repeat, if you just want to communicate, then it is not mandatory to learn grammar. Because as a kid, when we were learning our mother tongue, did we speak full sentences with proper grammar? No. One word, two words, short phrases, right? So my clear answer is no if you just want to communicate in English. But in case if your answer is yes, that you want to be fluent and confident while speaking in English, then what? Learn grammar. By the way, what is grammar? Noun, pronoun, tenses, right? Of course, yes. But important point which is missing here is framing the sentences with structure. It is important to frame the sentences with proper structure. How to make proper sentences and how to frame the structure using these concepts like clauses, tenses, parts of speech, etc. So coming to the point, framing the sentences is very important while writing or else while speaking. I don't agree completely when someone says that grammar is not important. Because to my knowledge, what is our ultimate goal? It's not just to communicate, but we want to learn the language properly. It's not like I have learned half, that's enough. No, we want to learn it properly. Like take an example of any other language which is new for you. How do you learn it? Like words, phrases, like framing the sentences. How do you frame the sentences? Proper structure, right? Like I stress this one, proper structure. How do you get the proper structure? By learning grammar. Grammar in the sense you don't need to become a grammarian. Basic knowledge is enough in the initial stage. Later on you can go deep into the language. Important point to be noted here is everyone's journey is not the same. Their goal, destination can be the same, but the journey is entirely different. So my humble request to you is don't compare yourself with others, thinking that they have learnt in 3 months, 2 months, 30 days. No, you should not think like that. It is a wrong way. You have to see their hard work, the time they allotted to learn it, like how much time they have allotted to learn the language. You have to see that one. So instead of comparing, give your best. Don't draw a line thinking that I'll learn in 2 months, 3 months. No, it puts pressure on us. Like even though we want to learn it properly, but this pressure makes us simultaneously not to reach our goal. So what you need to do is you just try to know your drawbacks, where you are making mistakes, you know your capability, right? So please work on that one. My suggestion is don't force yourself to become fluent English speaker. If you have any suggestions for my upcoming videos, please let me know. And if you want series on this communicative skills or grammar part, please let me know in the comment section below. Your feedback means a lot to me. If you think that this video is helpful, then do give a thumbs up. And if you feel that your near and dear ones will be benefited, then don't forget to share. Finally, if you are new to my channel or haven't subscribed it, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for the upcoming notifications. Please take care of yourself. Thank you.